So crack this open and we'll get it out. And what we're gonna have to do is open up the back here and take out these screws at the top. So go ahead and do that. All right, so I got my Voyager here. We got screws here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you take those off, and then there's a hinge here that it'll just open up for. So we'll take it. All right, so I got the screws open. So I'm gonna lower the panel. See how this thing comes out. So there's a nice hinge here. All right. And it's put together pretty well. This looks a little tight here, so maybe I'm not gonna prop it all the way down because this cable here was looking kind of close to pinching. Haven't really opened this up before. This is one of the signature models, so it's one of the first ones. So this cable here is the one that goes up to the port. So install it right here on the right here. So it says accessory port. That's where we're going to be putting it in. So here's a close-up of the jack that we're actually installing. So you can see the teeth here that go into the board, and then here's the socket attachment. So where it goes in. So, and you can see there's some, looks like some kind of components there. So we'll pull this up, and so where this thing comes in, we're going to pull that up, put this in place. There's a tab, so it shows you there's only one way for it to go. Alright, so I got the ribbon off, just pull straight up here. So what you do is put the, sorry, you're gonna put this end down. There's that little tab right there on the front, and you can see right there, it will go in that. So like that, and then this cable will just plug in. Sorry, this cable just plug in. Like that, right into it, just like that. So that's how it goes. And then the follows up there. That's it. That's the whole thing. So just close it up, try it out. All right, so I got the CV expander hooked up here. So just gotta fire up the Voyager. Get the screen here. So yeah, no, it's working. I got this patched to volume, and can't really hear because I got it out of the headphones. But let's see if I put some headphones. So I got that patched from the touch y-axis coming back in over here to the volume. So yeah, totally works. So appreciate it for checking it out. It's my Hammond organ too.